Hi guys, here is how you can use OBS Studio with DeepLiveCam. Now before starting, make sure you have downloaded OBS Studio and install on your PC. Download this Windows version. After this, open the DeepLiveCam. We are using the ready-to-use toolkit, but you can also do the manual installation. Videos are provided on our channel. However, one-click installation is much easier but paid. Open this and open this PAT file. This PC does not have a GPU card, so it will be quite slow. Here is DeepLiveCam. Let me quickly select the face. Here is a sample image we downloaded from Pixabay. Here is the image, and now choose the integrated camera. Do not choose other options. And click on Live. So here is the DeepLiveCam video. Now let's open the OBS Studio. Open it. Click on this plus icon and choose Windows Capture. Give any name you want. I will leave this to default. OK. And on Windows, choose python.exe preview. Here is it. Adjust the size. So here is the DeepLiveCam on the OBS Studio. By the way, WhatsApp no longer supports this, while many other apps still does. If we figure out using it with WhatsApp, we will upload another video. Thank you very much.